Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be talking all about this hair. I do have a top on. First of all, it's just because of the weather. You guys already know how the weather is crazy right now, so I have a bunch of this strapless tops that I have to wear if I have to film like during the day. You guys, I need to be on this thing. If not, I would literally burn. Like, I will fry. Like, this summer is just different. I don't know what type of air, breeze, whatever that blew this time is just different from every summer that I've experienced in Hungary. Okay, I know it looks a little bit weird right now because I haven't styled it or literally done anything yet to it. This hair was provided to me by Ishow hair. Okay, they sent me their 13x6 straight hair, and I think it's in the length 24 or 22. I'm not really sure. Every other link is going to be in the description box below, so just in case I say nonsense in this video, you know that you just go down to the description and then you see all the links to everything. Now, before I lay the hair down, I would like to say a little bit of something that I did to the hair. This hair didn't come pre-bleached or pre-plucked. I went ahead to bleach it, then I plucked it. Then instead of having just a regular straight hair, I decided to put in a little bit of highlights at the front, as you guys could see. I'm not sure what the hell I did to this hair, but to be honest, I'm feeling it. I'm going to leave a clip here. I did do like a little dye work to it because I didn't want a basic straight wig. I just wanted to manipulate the wig a little bit more. So that's the reason why I have this bit of blonde strand peeking through, which I absolutely love. But I have a different style in mind for this hair, which I'm going to, I know I look crazy, but don't worry you guys, I'm going to fix up my look very soon. I'm going to like cut the lace, lay the hair, do the whole, you know, shebang, like straighten the hair and everything right now for you guys. But don't worry, I'll be looking cute soon, okay? But yes, you guys, this is how the hair is looking right now. Let me just go ahead and then put it on my head properly. I think I'm going to speed up the process because I don't think you guys really want to watch me like straighten my hair in slow motion. That would be really weird. But yeah, I'm just going to quickly cut off the lace, lay the hair with my Taft power holding spray, which I have talked about in my a lot on my channel. Not a lot, but then like I have a whole video about this Taft power holding spray from Schwarzkopf as well, the same company that produces Got to Be. So yeah, if you want to see that video, I'm going to link it down below as well. Now let me go ahead to like lay this wig so that when I talk to you, you focus on my face and the words that come out of my mouth rather than how crazy I'm looking right now. So you guys, let's do this, okay?
Yeah. No me estás nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día.
So this is the completed look, you guys. I just went ahead and straightened this hair, and that's basically all I did after I spoke to you guys the last time. And I just gave myself a little bit of a side part because that's the style that I was going for this look. Anyway, I'm just going to get into my thoughts on this wig now. This wig is, like I said earlier, from Ishow hair. It is 26 inch. For tangling, this hair doesn't tangle. I feel like I've just been working with the best companies, to be honest, because the companies that I genuinely review, like the ones that I put out on my channel, they are just amazing, to be honest. Because I've had just one company though. Oh no, not one. I'm not gonna tell you guys how many, but just know that in a few companies that I have actually tried to work with, they have sent me the hair and the hair has been completely trash, and I refuse to put it up for you guys. Like, I just have those hair like lying around my house, and I haven't like put up that video, and I will not put up the video. I will not be wearing the hair. But if you see a hair that I put up on my channel, just know the hair is good. Just know. Because if it's not good, your sis is not putting. I don't care how much they're paying me, I will not put out a hair that is not good, because I am a hair fanatic. I love hair so much that I invest so much time and effort into looking into the hair. If the hair does not meet my expectation, if it's not like up to my standards and level of hair, I will not put it out at all. So just you guys have that at the back of your mind, like when you watch my hair reviews, to know that Lucy would not put out this hair video if the hair was in good quality. And just have that in your mind that Lucy would not say otherwise, because to be honest, you guys, there's absolutely no way that I'll make a false review on any hair. Hair is my thing. Like, hair is just me, you know. So yeah, this hair, you guys already know, you're used to the reviews I do on my channel, that I like to rate on the scale of 0 to 10. So this hair I'll be giving a 9.5 out of 10, because damn girl, I look good, and you know I look good, okay? Like, this hair is amazing. This hair feels so soft, and you guys saw earlier in the video that this hair took to the dye like so nice and so quickly as well. So you can be rest assured that if you buy the hair like this, like black, you could dye it to any color and you'll be fine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one.